Find or read reviews that people are talking of TOGUARD Video Mini Front Dash Camera for cars with 64GB U3 SD card. Why you choose TOGUARD Video Mini Front Dash Camera for cars with 64GB U3 SD card. Below are some reasons why you should choose. 4K front dash camera with free 64GB SD card, 3840x2160 at 30fps UHD clear image with sharp details. Equipped with a star-level photosensitive CMOS sensor, the recording specifications of the driver recorder are improved again, getting rid of the graininess. The package comes with an SD card to achieve plug-and-play. Wireless dash cam app connection and GPS tracking, quick connection with Wi-Fi hotspot technology, real-time viewing of recorded videos on mobile phones, accident forensics, beautiful scenery sharing, and changing car camera settings. The external GPS module has a better signal, easy to record the driving track, speed, and automatic time calibration. Portable intelligent voice control, including turn on Wi-Fi, lock the video, turn off display, open recording, and more, 8 common and important voice commands. Free your hands operations, make the driving process safer and easily capture the evidence and beautiful scenery of the journey. 170 degrees wide-angle night vision car dash cam, f1.8 large aperture, WDR technology, plus 6 groups of full HD glass lenses. Every detail is fully displayed in dark light and low light environments. 170 degree wide angle covers more lanes to fully protect driving safety. Automatic loop recording, don't worry about the card is full, overwrite starts with the car start, and automatically overwrites earlier recordings when the memory card is full. Seamlessly recycles memory space, and emergency locked videos will not be overwritten. Stable operation without missing seconds, no crash. Collision sensing will auto-lock and save important files at critical moments. 24 hours parking model, safeguard after leaving the car, comes with collision wake-up parking monitoring. When a collision occurs, the recorder is started to record in an emergency. You can also use a hardwire kit to achieve 24-hour uninterrupted monitoring. The hardwire kit needs to be purchased separately. Mini size, easy installation, quick install the dash cams in a few minutes, equipped with a special suction cup mount, firm and not falling off, not hurting the car film. Not blocking the line of sight, not occupying the original car rearview mirror, driving safety is guaranteed. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important. Don't forget to press subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.